Alright, so for today we are going to create a spring. Remember to always save your work for the network. We're going to name this spring. Take Uncle John, make him go outside or inside or delete him, whatever. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is create a square. Doesn't matter how big, how small. Well, it doesn't matter how small. So about that size will do. Okay, so I'm going to work my way down in here, and the first thing I am going to do is draw a line from one corner to the other. Okay. After I do that, I'm going to find the midpoint of that line, click one time, pull away, and I want that radius to be 1 foot. Alright, so once I've drawn that, I can delete my center line and grab my line tool again, find the midpoint, and go all the way across there. Okay. And now I can delete some more lines there. Okay. Next thing I'm going to want to do is push-pull out of that by 1 foot. Okay. Kind of orbit around, see that. Okay. I want to zoom in, draw a line. I'm going to split this. Okay. Alright, now to the tough part here. Okay. So we are going to take the 2-point arc, click on this corner here, click on this corner, and pull away. We preferably want to be on the red axis, and you have to make a half circle with this one. Okay. So I just saw a half circle there. Let me jump back on the red axis. Half circle. Okay. Alright, so now I can start deleting some things here. You can take your select tool, tap delete, however you want to do this. Selecting everything takes a bit. Don't want to delete the half circle there. The only thing you don't want to delete. Okay. So, with that being deleted, right, now I want to start constructing my spring. Now we're going to make it twirl up. So in order to make this twirl, we're going to need some guidelines. So I can grab a line here, go straight up the blue axis, and going up by 1 foot, and I want to make a little notch there. Okay, and then I'll go up by another foot on the blue axis, make a notch. This on the green axis. Turn around there. Okay. Okay. Let's keep going up here. Go up by another foot. And more. Okay, that should be good enough. Alright, so once you've done that, make sure not to speed through this because this part can get kind of tricky. Alright, so we want to take our half circle there, and your move tool, hold down Control, okay, click, don't let go, lock that onto the end point there. Okay. Again, don't go too fast with this or your half circles will be off and you will be frustrated when you start making your spring. So hold down Control again, click and hold, make sure it hits that end point. Hold down Control, click and pull up, make sure it hits that end point. Same thing the rest of the way up. Again, if you go fast on this, you'll be disappointed. Okay, so take your eraser. Thank you, Guidelines, for guiding us. And you can erase all those. Very tedious. Alright, so let's turn this thing around. Almost looking like a spring. Alright, so let's select this bottom spring here, and let's make a copy of it. Okay, grab your move tool, hold down control, grab the end, just set it down right there. Alright, so we need to rotate this dude, okay, on the blue axis. Let me do some work here. Okay, rotate. Alright, so grab the end there, and you want to rotate this by 180 degrees. You see down there on the bottom left it says 180, so we'll put it right there. Alright, so we should be good with that. Let's take our move tool. I'm going to get a little better view here. May have to zoom in a hair. Take your move tool, grab the end, and connect it to the end. Okay. You need to make sure these connect. You can really zoom in and see if they connect or not. Alright, but they obviously have to connect in order to make a spring here. So we're going to do the same thing. Alright, so make sure you're on the end. Hold down control. Click and hold down. Okay. It should match right up. Okay. Hold down control, click and hold your left mouse and roll up. Okay, that should connect there. Okay. Do the same thing. Hold down control, click and hold, roll your mouse up. That connects there. And if you want a little better view, you can do that. Make sure you're on the edge or on the end. Hold down control, and that locks in. Alright, we've got a spring looking good. Let's make this thing a little more three-dimensional here. And what we will do is take our circle tool, find the end, and you can make this as thick as you want. I'll go with something in that area there. Okay, so another kind of complicated thing. Just have to be patient with it. I definitely want to deselect that top there. Okay. Rotate on around. So be patient with this follow me tool. Go to tools and follow me, and you have to follow this spring all the way up. Now if you find that something, you have one stopping like right here on one of the ends, that means they're not connected, so you need to go back and really zoom in and make sure they're all connected there. So I'm going to select here. I'm going to follow all the way up there to the top end point, and there I have a spring. Okay, cool little deal there. Again, if yours did not work out, especially when you got to this part, that simply means that you didn't connect some of your lines there on the end. Maybe you didn't turn your half circle 180, so go back and check that. And if you want to throw a nice little color on your spring, or make it look metal, welcome to do that. Okay. So that is the spring, and that ends our spring tutorial.